So, ito yung tutorial kung paano mag-install or mag-run ng ESP32. Type Arduino IDE and pick this one. Open this one, again Windows 10 or newer, and then download. So, i-wait natin to. Open file, agree, next, install. And then click finish. Automatically, it will open the IDE. So later, go to the file, preferences. In the first one, there will be no URL here. So how can we get that URL? So type ESP32 Arduino IDE link. So after that, you want to use this one, installing one. Only in this one is save in system, and then copy this one, stable release, minimize, paste here, Ctrl V, press OK. Just wait for this one to finish, and then go to the boards manager, type ESP32. This one is already been pre-installed, but let's uninstall this one and then install it again for to renew all the drivers and such as, so there will be no issues regarding this. So after that uninstalled, click installed again. So after that, you can see the select board, you can type the ESP. It should show it here, ESP32 dev module. So this one. So before that, you need to plug in your ESP32. I will plug in it now. It will show it, and then click this one. Oh, yan, already been here. This is the ESP32 that I already inserted to my computer. Click this one, type ESP32. If this not works, ESP, select board, select other port, ESP32, dev module. This one. Click on, okay. This one. There's something that bugs in this Arduino IDE, but it will work if you follow that one. So after that, you can check this one and voila, it's already been showing the serial monitor. It means that your ESP32 is already working and this is their coding serial monitor. So ito yung nilalabas ng board mismo. So once na maglabas itong serial monitor na ito, ibig sabihin working yung board nyo nang walang issue. So